At the beginning of the video he shows a CD or a disc. He immediately draws the geometric shape of an oblate spheroid. We can see how he separates the oblate spheroid with a disc that has a hole in the center. Then, below he draws a circle with a swastika inside and immediately paints it completely black. From this black circle rays come out and 3 rays pass through the hole in the center. Below he writes, "Still." One of the possible meanings of this black circle may be the black sun. He draws reliefs on the edge of the hole and writes North Pole. And above this hole inside what would be the celestial vault he draws a star, the polar star or Polaris. He marks 2 points and connects them in a circle and writes, equator. He draws 2 lines that go down from the polar star to the 2 points. The lines form a triangle. He highlights 2 of the rays coming out of the black sun and also forms a triangle but vice versa. And he writes, "As above so below." It's one of the 7 principles of Hermes Trismegistus. It appears on the Emerald Tablet and then in the Kabbalion. He erases the intersections and draws the sun and moon. And he makes a gesture of rotation. He draws 2 arrows to show the distance of the moon and the sun. Both are 3,300 miles or 5,310 kilometers away. Then he measures the diameter of the sun and moon. being the same with a diameter of 32 miles or 51 kilometers. He draws continents on the surface and on the other side as well. He points both sides and writes, same. Below he writes summer land. He draws rays coming out of the black sun and writes, Northern Lights. The center of the drawing is equal to the Mason symbol, which is a square and a compass. He points out the ray coming out of the black sun toward the moon, and then he erases the face of the moon. He makes signs explaining that the sun doesn't light up the moon. Who does it is the black sun.
happiness is priceless, especially on a birthday.
A child's happiness is priceless, especially on a birthday.
A child's happiness is priceless, especially on a birthday.
A child's happiness is priceless, especially on a birthday.
Well, a child's happiness is priceless, right? Especially on a birthday.
Snap the fuck out of your trance. Turn off your television. Pull up your motherfucking pants. Shit is about to get enhanced. The music's about to begin, you better get ready to dance. Snap the fuck out of your dream. Don't believe a goddamn thing you see on that screen. Shit is way beyond obscene. Warriors are gathering, getting ready to intervene. A funny thing happened on the way to the moon. They forgot the melody, so they made up a new tune. NASA was laughing their asses off at the buffoons, watching this shit thinking it's real when it was just a cartoon. All that shit collapses right in front of your face. The moment you cannot see the stars from outer space. I will have any astronaut's forehead wrinkling when I ask why there's not a solitary star twinkling. Man lands on the moon, what the fuck you thinking? Who the fuck you think you're fooling? What the fuck have you been drinking? No wonder why you're scared to put your hand to God. Not a single speck of moon dust on your landing pod. There's not a bigger bullshit fairy tale that you could cobble. You forgot the burn crater underneath the lunar module. Snap the fuck out of your trance. Turn off your television. Pull up your motherfucking pants. Shit is about to get enhanced. The music's about to begin, you better get ready to dance. Snap the fuck out of your dream. Don't believe a goddamn thing you see on that screen. Shit is way beyond obscene. Warriors are gathering, getting ready to intervene. Now the very people who've lied to you about their lunar landing have given the whole planet an uber misunderstanding. Circusy clowns nervously frown when you point out their computer-generated image of Earth that is perfectly round. We searched and we found all of these anomalies. When you put them together, it's comedy. The exaggerated nervia, using a fisheye lens just to fabricate the curvature. Half these so-called astronauts don't know what space is. You can see the duping delight on their Freemasonic faces. They are light years from logical. Is it oblate? Is it pear-shaped? It's absolutely comical. They can't seem to make up their mind. They're thinking you're blind. You know what? They're motherfucking right, so I gotta tell you one more time. Snap the fuck out of your trance. Turn off your television. Pull up your motherfucking pants. Shit is about to get enhanced. The music's about to begin. You better get ready to dance. Snap the fuck out of your dream. Don't believe a goddamn thing you see on that screen. Shit is way beyond obscene. Warriors are gathering, getting ready to intervene. Is it flat or is it round? If you're looking for the truth, it shall be found. Is it a disc? Is it a sphere? Do you really think the answer is that clear?
And once you go flat, there's no going back. Once you've seen the evidence, once you know that the Earth is flat, like you said, people believe they're on a spinning ball. I don't believe I'm on a flat, motionless plane. I'm aware that I'm on a flat, motionless plane. I've seen the evidence. I've debunked all the supposed proofs I was taught in school that I'm on a spinning ball. So it's not a belief-based thing. It's an evidence-based thing. They claim that they're doing science with a capital S at NASA, but they're really doing capital P pseudo-science and indoctrinating you into a bunch of excuses like perspicular rays to tell you why the sun is clearly just above the clouds and not 93 million miles away. You know, they tell you the Earth's leaning back 23.5 degrees to explain why you can see Polaris. They say it's pear-shaped to explain the southern anomalies. You know, they'll give you excuse after excuse. As long as you're willing to listen to these liars, they'll keep lying to you, just like any liar.
Snap the fuck out of your trance. Turn off your television. Pull up your motherfucking pants. Shit is about to get enhanced. The music's about to begin, you better get ready to dance. Snap the fuck out of your dream. Don't believe a goddamn thing you see on that screen. Shit is way beyond obscene. Warriors are gathering, getting ready to intervene.